Hi guys, so I'm back with a new question, which is to check whether the input is Armstrong number or not. And Armstrong number is an integer with 3 digits such that the sum of the cubes of its digits is equal to the number itself. For example, 371. So let's see this question. Let's create a new file. Create here new file, save it as q4 q5.py. then take the starter code and let's paste this. So basically we have to check whether it is an Armstrong number or not. So Armstrong number is a integer with 3 digits. They have given an example 371 equal to, which is equal to the cubes of individual digits. So 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. So let's check. Let's directly calculate using Python. So print 3 raised to 3 plus 7 raised to 3 plus 1 raised to 3 is 1. So let's see. So it is 371 and 371. So this is an Armstrong number as they have given the example. So we have to check this condition that if we consider this number as n, then n should be equal to its individual digits cube, sum of the cubes of individual digits. So let's create a program. First of all, we will take an input n. We will take n number n. So let's take 371. Let's take an second condition, some random number, to check whether it holds or not. Means checking both the condition, if it's true, if it's false. So for this we have to take again the test case number, just 2. So for I in range input integer input, and then take n equal to int input. So we will take this number, and then so here there would be a problem that it requires 3 digit number only. So Armstrong number is an integer with 3 digits. So here they have mentioned it is only 3 digits number. So we have to check this condition too. So let's take this input as a string and calculate the length. So if length of n equal 3, then only we have to do the further condition, else we will print give 3 digit number. So length equal to 3. So now we will convert it into an integer, so int n, and then what we have to do, we have to take the single digit and then cube it. So instead of integer using int for this, we can directly use this condition. So if or let's for more simplification we will take variables. So first number equal to n of 0, and then second number equal to n of 1, and then third number would be n of 2. So we have to take the integer value. So let's copy this, paste. So 0, 1 and 2. So first number, second number, third number. So after that we have to check if or we will calculate the sum of cube equal to fn raised to 3 plus sn raised to 3 plus tn raised to 3. So now we have to check if n equal to sum of c, then print its Armstrong number, else it is not an Armstrong number. It's not an Armstrong number. So let's so here we will get an error here, as this sum of c is integer. So after calculation it is an integer, as these are integer values, but here n is string, as we have not typecasted it. So let's convert it into integer and let's check this. So it's Armstrong number, it's not an Armstrong. So first one was and second is not. So now the program works. So one more shorthand would be directly calculating this in a single conditional statement and checking it, so it would be more easy. And or the next or the another method would be, let's take another method. This is method 1, and let's take a method 2. So let's copy this, we will modify this only. So we will take this input as an integer, and then instead of checking the length we will do, so for calculating whether it is an 3-digit number, we can use an condition if n is greater than 99 and n is less than 1000. Then means after 99 it is 100 and below 1000 is 999. So these are all the 3-digit numbers we can make. So this can check whether it is a 3-digit number or not. So after doing this we know now this is a 3-digit number. After that we can use mathematical functions which are the quotient and the remainder to find out to separate out the 3 digits. So let's first print n mod 10. So basically this remainder function, after using with 10 we will get the last element as 371 mod 10 would leave us the remainder 1. So let's print n c2 to check whether it is right or not. So we can see the last 2 digits 1 and 6 we got printed. Similarly after that we can use the quotient function to remove this last element. Means the quotient number, if we divide 371 by 10, then 10 into 37 equal to 370. So 371 minus 370 would give us the remainder 1. So the quotient would be 37. Similarly if we print n floor division 10, then it will give us the quotient, return us the quotient. So you can see it would return us 37. So if we take then the modulus of this function to this number 2, then also we will get the last element, which is the 7 and 5 in this case. So let's print this out. So you can see 7 and 5 got printed, as we are taking the coefficient, which is 37, and then taking the modulus, finding the remainder after dividing by 10. Similarly, if I take quotient of these two, I will get 3 and 4. So here 173 we got in separate, so we separate out the digits using this mathematical functions. So now we got 3 different digits, and we can store this in our variable. So fn equal to sn equal to tn equal to first number, second number, third number. Then we can again so more simply, as we have used here variables and stuff, we can directly now check if n equal let us take fn raised to 3 plus sn raised to 3 plus tn raised to 3. If it is true, then print yes, else print no. So now you can see the first value is yes, as it is given from the example 2, and the second is no, as it is not a number. So this was the second method, and instead of this fn you can directly put this bracket 2 and raise to the power, so it will make more smaller code. But for better understanding and visualization, this is good code. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in our next video.